and it looks like we have more, what, 90s in our forecast?
Gosh, it sounds nice. The beach would be a great day today, right?
Yeah.
Oh, good stuff.
You know what the water temperature is?
Yeah, well, I just looked for Rehoboth Beach, 75.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah, I was
Okay.
kind of surprised. I was looking down, I was like, oh, okay, well, 75, well, it's up there. So,
Rehoboth is
yeah,
I was just curious.
yeah, mid-70s, and in our area, that peaks out around like the first or second week of August. So, and then it starts to go the other direction. So, yeah, it's feeling really good.
I like bath water. I need 85.
Down in the Gulf, you know, that type of thing. Let me show you what it looks like outside right now. It's gorgeous. Temperature-wise, we're at 90 degrees. That's where we sit in Philly. A bit cooler in other spots where you got Allentown at 83. Down the shore, it's 89 degrees, so you got upper 80s, low 90s. A gorgeous evening out there tonight. Dry around our region. We have a few clouds floating on by, some showers and storms that are up to the north. Let me walk you through the newest futurecast, because as we've been telling you tonight, over the next few hours, you folks in our northern zones, far northern zones, up around the Poconos, perhaps around the Lehigh Valley, getting a stray shower or two. Maybe, and it's a stretch, as far south as Upper Bucks County, where we had the severe weather just a couple of nights ago. That's the only spots that I see the potential for storms this evening, and that all dies down after about 11 o'clock or midnight. The rest of the night is going to be quiet. A few passing clouds, temperatures in the low 70s, generally some of you in the upper 60s, but a really nice night. Starting out tomorrow morning, like this morning, we're going to be dry. We're dry through a good part of your day tomorrow. The difference with tomorrow is we could see some pop-up showers and a pop-up thunderstorm here and there, primarily later in the day, late afternoon, evening. Notice here as I pause this, say around 24 hours from now, not anything widespread, but a few showers and storms dotting the landscape that we may be tracking. And it's not completely out of the question to have a severe thunderstorm warning, isolated, strong to severe storm possible. We are in that marginal risk. That is that day. That's our day tomorrow. And so here's where the risk is from the Storm Prediction Center. It pretty much is a majority of our area in that 1 out of 5 on the severe scale. You folks down the shore, Cape May, central and southern parts of Delaware, it's the non-severe risk, meaning a storm may pop up, but the risk for severe storms is very low. We're going to keep the same thing in terms of that 1 out of 5 on the marginal risk for our day on Friday as well. And I looked ahead, not just Friday, but as we go into the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, storms are going to be possible both days. I'd say likely on Sunday. But all of those days, the risk looks to be maybe in the marginal risk. I just don't see big severe weather parameters there as we look through the weekend. 72 tonight, beautiful night. Few high clouds passing on by, then around the region, mid-90s tomorrow here in Philly. Down the shore, a bit cooler, maybe some upper 80s. Lehigh Valley at 91 degrees. And then last but definitely not least, we're going to drop the temperature a bit because of clouds and some showers on Friday and into the weekend, back into the 80s. Guys, we'll send it back over to you.